you will need out your alphabet strip. So we're first going to do irregular words, and then we'll do our missing letter deck. Okay, we have 5 minutes. I'll lay the card, you say the word. Said. 2. Oh, move it a little closer. Doctor. Are. They. There. They are. There. Their jacket. Does. You'll. You will. Your notebook. Of. Do. Mr. Mrs. Ms. The. Friend. You. Your. You're doing great today. You are doing great today. Yourself. 2, like the number 2. Okay, missing letter deck. I'll do the first one for you. You say it, and then you try to say it before me. If you need to look at your strip, it's right here. RST. QRS. KLM. GHI. WXY. LMN. STU. FGH. DEF. CDE. MNO. JKL. BWX. HIJ. IJK. BCD. UVW. XYZ. PQR. TUV. EFG. OPQ. ABC. NOP. Good job. The next thing we will do initial reading deck, advanced reading deck, initial spelling deck.